Hi, my name is Dr. Raimie from CLEO Clinic. So today we're going to talk to you about the different types of laser, so that for some people who are not sure whether that particular laser is right for them. Now there is three main types of laser that is being used in aesthetic medicine clinic and so on. Number one is laser for pigmentation. This laser is absorbed by the melanin that is in your skin. Whatever type of pigmentation that has melanin absorbs this laser energy, and then it will break them into smaller particles. So in this category, two different types of laser. One is Nano, which is the older one that has been used over more than 20 years ago. Up to date, there's still some doctors who use it. And there are also the more popular ones that being marketed nowadays, which is Pico laser. These two is the one for pigmentation, to treat pigmentation. The difference is the laser speed. We'll get back to this in a while. Next category is laser that targets the red blood cells that is in your blood vessel. This is to target redness and appearance of veins on the skin. That's one type of laser. Another type of laser is laser that is absorbed by the water of the skin. So this kind of laser is more popularly known as fractional CO2 that has been practiced nowadays, is to target to remove certain skin lesions such as skin tag, mole, to remove things physically that's on the skin. So three different types: pigmentation, red blood cell, and water. So for pigmentation, we go back to the Pico versus Nano. What is this thing? So the speed is, Nano is 10 power negative 9, 1 billionth time of a second. And then Pico is 10 power negative 12, which is 1 trillionth of a second. The difference is Pico is 1000 times faster than Nano. What is the significance of this difference of speed? So I'll show you in a picture. This is nanosecond versus picosecond, 1 billionth second versus 1 trillionth of a second. So with nano speed, it breaks the pigmentation melanin into smaller particles. That's what laser do. It doesn't remove pigment, it breaks the pigment. Then that is what nano can achieve. Now with Pico, it can break it to even smaller because there is stronger photoacoustic effect from the speed of the laser beam. So what happens after the pigmentation is broken by laser beam is that our immune system will come in and goes through process of phagocytosis, lymphatic drainage, outro excretion. That's how it's being eliminated, the broken melanin from our skin that has been shot by laser. So with Pico, breaking it into even smaller particles, it's easier for the immune system to clear it from our skin. So then, that is why in general, although there is a dispute about this, but in general, using Pico might require you to do a much lesser number of sessions to treat a certain pigmentation. Aside from, due to the speed, there is less heat dispersion, so you feel more comfortable with Pico compared to what you will feel with Nano. These are the few differences. There are some kind of pigmentation that people think it's a pigmentation. It's actually not. It's an example of actinic keratosis. These may look like pigmentation, but if you notice, it actually is a bit raised from the skin. Now to treat this, it's not using the pigment laser, it's using fractional CO2 but in a surgical mode, so they can slowly remove it until it reaches the skin and you see a clear skin color. So it's really important to have the right diagnosis by your doctor and be treated by the proper laser choice. So folks, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. See you in CLEO Clinic.